Welcome at a quick overview of SPSS. In this overview we will show you the data view, the variable view and some menu options. This is the data view. In the data view you see one cell is one outcome. One column shows one variable and one row displays all the results of one candidate, so one case. If you hold your mouse on the header row, you will see the information about the variable. Clicking on the A switch will show you the real outcome of the answers. Clicking again, then it will show you the codes belonging to those answers. Now we switch from the data view to the variable view. It contains all information. So the question number, the variable type, most of the time numeric, the question text, you need to change it to the variable, and the possible outcomes. So for instance, 1 is having a tablet and 0 is having no tablet. The other ones we skip for now. Then the level of measurement or measures. There are 3 levels of measurement: scale, scale, ordinal and nominal. They have to be set correctly. Back to the data view. The first option you have is of course File in the menu, and there you can open your SPSS or any other file. For instance, an Excel file you might want to analyze as well. The second one is the Edit option, and in the Edit option you can sometimes edit and replace outcomes by something else. So we will not often use it, but it can be used sometimes and can be practical. In the data view you can filter or split cases. So for instance, I only want to see women, then I filter the cases on women and I only see the outcomes of women. With transform you can calculate a new variable, so you combine 2 or 3 variables and create a new one, or you can recode a variable into a new one. For instance, if I want to create from age groups. Next button you have is Analyze. Analyze is the one you will use most, and mostly you will use frequencies, cross tables and compare means. Sometimes you want to create a visual, a graph, a figure. And that is something you do with the graph option, and you use the bar chart creation. So here you drag the requested chart into the window and drag the variable you want to analyze. And it will create an output file with your bar chart. And here you can see that in this case most people don't own a tablet. To be exact, 82 persons don't own a tablet, and somewhere around 50 people own a tablet. I don't want to save this for now. Now I go back to Analyze and I do an example. So in our case I use again owning a tablet, yes or no, including the statistics belonging to that, and in this case it's only the mode. Press OK and it creates 2 tables. The first table is the table with the mode, the second table is the table with the frequencies and the percentages. As you can see, there is some redundant information there, so always delete that because that is not necessary. Now I'm finished and I can copy the tables, because there are 2, to Word. I only show you one. I can do the same for graphs. So I create a new bar chart, again about the owning a tablet. I will delete the heading. And close the editor window, and I can copy it to Word. So we have now a table and a figure, and together I can describe what I have found. So most people don't own a tablet. Thank you for your time.